Which mountaineering boots for women are actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, NORTIV 8 Waterproof Hiking Boots. First up, we have the NORTIV 8 Women's Waterproof Hiking Boots. Priced at $47.99, this pair caught my attention because it's a bestseller with a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want a lightweight, breathable boot that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why should you care about these boots? They feature genuine leather that's soft yet durable, which means they'll stand up to tough conditions while keeping you comfortable. The lightweight EVA foam midsole provides the stability you need, especially when you're navigating rocky trails. Plus, the rugged rubber outsole ensures that you won't slip, even in muddy conditions. With a design that includes hooks to secure your laces, you can trust they'll stay on your feet no matter how tough the terrain gets. Now here's the thing, some people mention that the sizing can be a bit off, with suggestions to go a half size up. But honestly, once you find the right fit, the comfort and performance are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet reliable boot for casual hikes, but skip this one if you need something for more extreme mountaineering. For the price, it offers incredible value for your money. Now, if the sizing issue worried you, the next option might just be the answer for a more customized fit. Product number 2, Merrell Moab 3 Mid Waterproof Boots. Next up, we have the Merrell Moab 3 Mid Waterproof Hiking Boots, priced at $98.09. This is another bestseller, boasting a 4.6-star rating from 434 reviews. If you want something that merges style and high performance, this is worth considering. So what makes these boots stand out? The pigskin leather and mesh upper ensures durability, while the Vibram TC5 Plus rubber sole offers excellent grip on various terrains. The air cushion in the heel absorbs shock, proving stability and comfort where you need it most. Overall, it's designed to empower you to explore confidently, which is what every adventurer needs. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that it can take a bit of time to break them in. But here's the thing, once you do, they're incredibly comfortable and supportive for longer hikes. This is perfect for you if you plan on tackling more challenging trails, but skip this one if you want something that's easier to slip on. For its performance, the price feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value both comfort and style. Product number 3, NORTIV 8 Waterproof Hiking Boot Seeker. Now let's talk about another great option from NORTIV 8, their women's waterproof hiking boots for just $57.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 6,000 reviews, this boot brings in some nice features for a very affordable price. If you want a comfortable boot that looks good too, this is worth a serious look. The highlight of these boots is their lightweight design combined with a durable rubber sole that provides excellent traction. The suede leather construction allows for breathability, so your feet won't feel suffocated on those long hikes. They also have a wide toe box option for extra comfort, which is great for those who don't like their toes feeling cramped. Plus, the EVA insole enhances cushioning, making it easier on your feet as you hike. However, some users found them a bit too narrow, leading to discomfort during extended wear. But here's the thing. If you have a regular foot width or prefer a snug fit, you'll appreciate the snugness it's designed to provide. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish yet functional boot for easy to moderate hiking, but skip this one if you have wider feet. It's a fantastic value for what you get. If you're looking for something that offers a bit more luxury and comfort, our next pick might catch your eye. Product number 4, Foxelli Hiking Boots. Next is the Foxelli Women's Hiking Boots, priced at $109.97. With 4.6 stars from 1,800 reviews, they promise all-day comfort and support. If you want a boot that feels good straight out of the box, this could be a great choice. What sets these boots apart? They come with a cushioned collar and tongue, which really supports your ankles and makes a huge difference, especially on uneven trails. The waterproof Kingtex membrane keeps your feet dry while the breathable mesh allows airflow, balancing comfort and protection perfectly. The slip-resistant outsoles give you peace of mind on slippery surfaces, which is essential in the mountains. But a few users noted that they might feel a bit bulky compared to others. Here's the thing. If you prioritize comfort and ankle support over a lighter weight, you'll likely find these are just what you need. This is perfect for you if you plan on tackling rugged trails and want maximum support, but skip this one if you want something lightweight. They are definitely worth the investment for what they offer. Now, if you're looking for something that combines affordability and performance, this next boot has you covered. Product number 5, NORTIV 8 Lightweight Hiking Boots. Finally, we have the NORTIV 8 Women's Waterproof Lightweight Hiking Boots, retailing at $43.98. With 4.5 stars from 857 reviews, this is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on functionality. If you want a solid boot for casual hikes without overspending, this is worth checking out. The breathable mesh keeps your feet cool, which is super important during longer treks. Plus, they're lightweight at just 12.3 Oz per shoe, making them easy to wear without feeling weighed down. The slip-resistant rubber outsole adds an extra layer of safety, which is something every hiker needs. That said, some reviews pointed out that they might lack durability on really tough terrains. But honestly, if you're sticking to well-maintained trails or casual hikes, you'll find these boots hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into hiking and want something affordable, but skip this one if you need something for serious mountaineering. For the quality, you really can't beat this price. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options today. From budget-friendly choices to more performance-focused boots, there's something here for every type of adventure. Whether you're a casual hiker or someone looking to tackle more challenging trails, these boots will have you covered. To sum it up, we explored 5 great women's mountaineering boots: the NORTIV 8 waterproof boots for affordability, the Merrell Moab 3 for style and performance, another pair from NORTIV 8 focusing on comfort, the Foxelli for ankle support, and finally the lightweight NORTIV 8 for casual hikers. Each one has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.